To clean or replace the strainer on your V25, turn the pump off and disconnect the pump from power. Using a 6mm Allen key, remove the strainer access cover. Then use an O-ring removal tool and a flathead screwdriver to remove the O-ring and strainer assembly. Inspect for damage or clogs. Clean the strainer with a soft bristled brush and solvent. If damaged, replace the assembly. If replacement parts are needed, they can be ordered through our website by scanning the QR code on the side of your pump with your smartphone. Before reinstalling, coat the O-ring lightly with grease. Reinstall the strainer, O-ring, and strainer access cover. Ensure the O-ring is properly seated before tightening securely.